আজি samla pola khoboti purification festival angami jati khan aji sekreni festival state stadium dimapur thousands of tribal manu khan ahigena dangor khushibra even celebrate kurlisha aro itu sal laga celebration tu angami public organization APO khanbra organize kurgena festival mark kriya ase with the presence of chief minister Rio aro deputy chief minister Y Patan state stadium dimapur Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland Isak Maiwa Fraction NSN Aim Khantu Mun District Tizu Town T Miscreant Khanbra Deputy Councillor Kampe Opham Konyak Muraidia Opoti Inika Kawardi Act of Violence Opor Kandem Kurgena Inika Hatsatu Sop Manubra Kandem Krubole Lake Kogena Avas Uthai Dia Asam NSN Aim Khan La release Fraction Khantu Inika Naga manu machete senseless killing thakatu completely opposed kurasha aro effort digena lasting peace and reconciliation achieve kurwale koidia ase aro peace process jai thaka oporti inika action to objected kurwale lakya laga ek ase kogina statement kuri dia ase hatsa oporte angme lead fraction of NSNK khanpi deputy councillor konyak muraidia oporti criticize kridia ase aro nation to dangor loss hoi jaise kogena khampi konyak muraidia upote awas uthai thakya itupi khatabra viewers khange jankari dia ase next khobor te UP state bra ekta breaking khobor pa thakya sabti accident hatsa dangor face kugena 15 jon muri jaise ko ase aro 15 jon murgena thakya macheti 7 jon choto bacha khan milaigena jan harai ja ko ase Reporte Murija Manukhantu tractor trolley loigina Holidip Karni Kanga Nodi Jai Thaka Tamti Pata Ali Road te accident hatsa look pai jagena pon te gari gushi jaisha aro iman jon laga jan harai ja khatabra khobor loigina viewers khan ge jankari dia ase report pai thaka sabti aji significant development ti Naga aro Khukizo MLA Manipur state bra collective session karni Assam state Guwahati bra Jama Kurgena Kotha Kurlo Shiko Ase Reporte Aji Jama Kurgena meeting Kurila MLA Khantu Naga MLA 5 jon aro Khukizo MLA 9 jon inika miligena North State of Manipur unrest situation karni shanti ani lobole agenda khan loigena Kotha Kurlo Shiko Ase aro Naga Khuki MLA collective session ti lack of ration supply internally displaced person IDPS khan opor Kotha Kurgena meeting ti central government decision India Myanmar border fencing lagabole propose kuri thakya khan sob miligena Kotha Kurlo Shikuina official update pailoi ase ai thakya lok sabha election karni India bloc aro Aam Admi Party khan Delhi te partner kurgina seat sharing karni aji faisla kurbole jonai thakya nishna ajibra faisla kurlogina ai thakya lok sabha election ti seat sharing kurlobo kogina jonai luise sources te Congress khantu Delhi state eklan hogina alag dangor state of Haryana aro Gujarat state tepi seat sharing thakbo aro Delhi te AAP party khan 4ta seat aro Congress 3ta constituency te election contest kurgena jabole faisla kurlishe kogina viewers khan ge jonai dia ase Sinapati Manipur state bra missing report pa thaka sabti S Vivanai Charia 25 years aro ta laga choto maki bacha 4 sal dujon ja kali bahar ula jatu gor wapas kura nai gogena circulate kuri thakya pailoi ase itu karni paise koili phone number digena thakya te contact kuri dibole circulate kuri dia ase kili last sin tu ja kali karong autostan last thaksha aro family members kantu afsos te monduk pura pisar thakyan mite modob kurbole khoborte ani dia ase next khoborte ekta jani lobole thakya tuli aji ekta WhatsApp message ti election notification election nomination polling counting government formation details khan sob chart kurgina viral kuri thakya opoti election commission of India khantu fake mishamshi thakshe kogina clarification kuri thakya sai thakya viewers khan ke jonai dia ase